Yeah, yeah. Natural on the beat. Yeah, yeah.
Natural on the beat and shit.
Don't care what they saying, can't catch when I move. They eating the jerk, they watch how I move. She eating the dick, I'm grabbing her head. She say that the shit that I'm doing too rude. She shaking her ass, I'm loving her move. I pop me a perky, I get in the move. I put her in Louis, then get it removed. The way that she fuck me, a nigga approve.
If you don't come with that money, you don't. Always the realest when I'm in the room. Pull up in the lounge, I park it in zone. Get asked by the hour, I'm coming soon. Flexing they diamonds, but I ain't a coon. Hop out with Diddy, but I am not loon. Say that you with it, then fuck it, let's do it. I'm about to mix it, champagne with the shroom.
Don't care what they saying, can't catch when I move. They eating the jerk, they watch how I move. She eating the dick, I'm grabbing her head. She say that the shit that I'm doing too rude. She shaking her ass, I'm loving her move. I pop me a perky, I get in the move. I put her in Louis, then get it removed. The way that she fuck me, a nigga approve.
Shout that she know that pussy like water. I'm out of dunk on that bitch, Vin Carter. Fuck on your mama and fuck on your daughter. Got some new deals, let me hit up my lawyer. Got some new deals, let me hit up the safe. Step in the party and fuck up the place. Fuck up the party and fuck up her face. Don't want the pussy, that shit a disgrace.
They tried to sleep on the nigga, got smarter. I went for a swim, man, I'm covered in water. I'm curving your hoe, boy, I don't even want it. I don't do shit for free, nigga, place you an order. I'm really way up, nigga, crossing the border. Way up. Time to catch up, nigga, pick up the pace. I'm in a Rari, you losing the race. You think that I'm ballin', my nigga, just wait. I knew it was coming, a nigga had faith. I know how they moving, I'm spotting the fade. Just wait for the summer, I'm all in they face. Might pull up at Flame with camping a rate. I'm with 3 hoes and we double date. They gon' all get the dick, they just gotta be patient. This a black card, they don't deny no payment. Don't care what they saying, can't catch when I move. They eating the jerk, they watch how I move. She eating the dick, I'm grabbing her head. She say that the shit that I'm doing too rude. She shaking her ass, I'm loving her move. I pop me a perky, I get in the move. I put her in Louis, then get it removed. The way that she fuck me, a nigga approve.
If you don't come with that money, you don't. Always the realest when I'm in the room. Pull up in the lounge, I park it in zone. Get asked by the hour, I'm coming soon. Flexing they diamonds, but I ain't a coon. Hop out with Diddy, but I am not loon. Say that you with it, then fuck it, let's do it. I'm about to mix it, champagne with the shroom.
Don't care what they saying, can't catch when I move. They eating the jerk, they watch how I move. She eating the dick, I'm grabbing her head. She say that the shit that I'm doing too rude. She shaking her ass, I'm loving her move. I pop me a perky, I get in the move. I put her in Louis, then get it removed. The way that she fuck me, a nigga approve.
Are you a rapper or singer looking to get more content for your fan base? Well, you stumbled across the right video. Instead of just putting up a video with your song cover in the background, invest in your brand by getting a one-of-a-kind video made. A lyric video will make your song 100% better because your fans are able to connect with the music visually and sonically. Here at Royal Right Productions, we will create you a lyric video that your fan base will love. Feel free to DM us at _RoyalRight_. And remember, invest in your brand.